So my name is Devin Van Hout. I'm the Chief Merchant at Build.com. So I'm responsible for our merchandising teams, our data team, and our sales center. And we're from Chico, California, pure play online retailer. Yeah, so our pricing strategy was pretty broad. We didn't have a lot of the SKU level data, so I really just would explain we had some blind spots in our pricing strategy. So although we would know where our competitors were for a category of products, we really wouldn't know the specifics about a SKU or the elasticity of a SKU, and so we were making some pricing assumptions instead of actually some database decisions. So we decided to look for a pricing intelligence solution because truly optimizing price allows you to increase sales and profitability. So there's certain cases where you're actually priced too low in the market, and if that's the case, you're leaving profit on the table. And when you're priced too high, your marketing is probably not effective, and also you're losing sales and revenue and market share to your competitors. Before implementing our pricing intelligence solution, it was a very manual process. We've got a team of merchandisers who was monitoring our competitors' top SKUs and kind of looking at a reactionary way of managing price. So if a competitor changed price, we would then follow suit or make adjustments based on the market conditions. So one of the biggest issues that we had before having a pricing intelligence solution is that we wouldn't know the specifics about a SKU or a competitor. So we would monitor in our industry a lot of our competitors' pricing as a percentage off list. So we might be at 25% off list, they might be at 30% off list. And if we decided to follow suit, we would do that across the board on a subcategory of products. And that leaves a lot of blind spots in how a specific SKU is performing. And so there's certain cases where we'd actually be losing profit or sales because we matched on a broad spectrum instead of on a SKU level. So we actually did a trial with several different pricing intelligence solutions. It was a pretty rigorous process over several months. We wanted to make sure we found a good partner and a good solution for us. And a lot of solutions out there, you know, they have the accuracy and they'll promote that they can actually get you the pricing intelligence, but it was very important for us that we weren't using the CSE data. The CSE data is not really accurate. It also only gives you the pricing that competitors are actually pushing into the market. And so we wanted a solution that was actually crawling on a per site level and also in the cart level as needed as well. We also wanted to ensure that the UI and the interface was good for our merchandisers in-house. With over 40 people using the tool, it was important for us that we could slice and dice the data in the format that we needed to. So with 360 PI, obviously, we've been able to increase sales and profit by optimizing and finding the right price. But I think there's a lot more ancillary benefits that people don't really always understand. And one of that is our reaction to our competitors in the market. So having the pricing intelligence allows us to react quicker. It also allows us to enact our own pricing strategy. So if we actually want to get aggressive or test pricing in the market, we can do that with 360 PI. It also allows us to maybe get some insight on potential areas where maybe not buying as well as some competitors, or seeing where our competitors are actually focusing in the market. They might be more aggressive on certain SKUs or subset of SKUs than we might think they would be on. Having the pricing intelligence data has allowed us to build out the price elasticity for specific SKUs, so we know if a competitor makes a change, whether or not we should follow suit in that. You don't always have to be the lowest price based on the service and the level that you offer. So working with 360 PI has been great. It's been pretty seamless since the trial. They were always in contact with us, ensuring that they met all of our questions and our needs. You can definitely tell there's a high sense of the QA and the quality of the data is very important to them, and obviously to us as well. And we have a weekly meeting. We still meet just to make sure everyone's on the same page and that we're getting what we need from the solution. So I see the future of pricing intelligence going more towards the dynamic pricing models and performance-based pricing models. Pricing intelligence is really the foundation piece. You know, knowing your competitors' pricing and how they react is important, and then actually forecasting what you should do or what you could do in your market is kind of the evolution that I see as far as pricing intelligence. So yeah, we're a very data-driven company, and so we have very high expectations from all of our partners to ensure that we can actually make the right decision on the data that we're receiving. 360 PI has really given us the data that we need, and they've been an excellent partner, and we've really valued the partnership.